just two quick questions for you. One, why did you choose Quebec, other than the obvious wind power potential here? And also, I just want to know a little bit more about those cancer vaccines. When could we possibly see a vaccine for certain types of cancer?
Yeah, of course. So you highlighted the wind power, but actually part of it was we have a strong commitment to ESG, to green manufacturing at Moderna. And so many of the things that we wanted to do when we were looking at sites had to do an intersection of a range of different things. Was there a regulatory community around it that was committed to the same sorts of things that we valued in terms of a green facility? The second was you have to have access to talent. And Quebec, actually many different places in Canada, but Quebec does clearly, through the universities in Montreal, have an incredible talent base, both science and engineering, as well as manufacturing. And that's essential for us because while you were asking a question about the number of jobs that we will have here, and we will have a large number of jobs at this facility, we need an entire ecosystem of support around that. Many, many companies support every one of our facilities, and they support that with technical capabilities, they support that with logistical support. All of that needs to be robust. And what we found in Quebec, and particularly here in Laval, was an opportunity to bring all of those things together. An incredible workforce, a strong regulatory environment, and then a government that really shares our values, what we're trying to do. Now, as to the pipeline, thank you for the question on cancer vaccines, but I do want to make clear, we have far more than just cancer vaccines. In fact, there's 43 different medicines that we have in clinical or preclinical trials right now. And as we look to partner with the government in addressing the public health challenges that you all face in Canada, our goal is to make sure that our vaccines actually decrease costs, that they work and they provide protection. In fact, that's really what a vaccine is. And so we're hoping not just with COVID vaccines and flu vaccines and RSV vaccines, all in clinical trials, but combinations of those and other respiratory pathogens that will partner in a long-term solution here, which is improving the health of Canadians, but also decreasing costs that your governments face in managing those. And of course, there's cancer. And then cancer is something that we're all at some way or another unfortunately touched by in our lives. Huge unmet need. There's incredible potential in our technology in cancer. We are looking forward to data in the coming month from some ongoing clinical trials we've had ongoing for several years, showing, we hope, that our vaccines can teach your immune system to attack your cancer and hopefully even treat and cure it. Those are early stage studies, and we'll have that data, as I said, shortly. But if that works, we do believe that we can use that technology more broadly, not just against skin cancers where we're currently testing it, but all forms of cancers, and something we'd hope to bring forward very quickly. What's really magical about this, and what's going to be magical about the facility behind me, is our technology, what we do, it's the same basic pieces, messenger RNA and delivery technology, for all of those medicines, whether it's from personalized cancer to all the different respiratory viruses. And what this facility will allow us to do will be to address many of those health challenges for today, but in the decades to come.